Good morning guys, so another adventure na naman tayo. Magka-camping tayo ngayon dito lang, malapit lang sa Tanay. So sa Pika Heaven tayo magka-camping yan. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Camping adventure tayo. Let's go guys.
Does it all become for granted with a wedding ring? Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, ooh, happiness requires work every day. Oh, and if that someone makes you smile and leaves you with a scar, don't let them tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscience. Different things in different ways. There must be love. There must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I gave it all to you for too There must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious. Different things in different ways. There must be more to the reason why we do it all for love. There must be more for a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. Has got to come my Has got to come my way.
Paliko na tayo.
Waking up to the sunrise glow. Pack the gear, it's time to go. On the road with the ones I love. Chasing skies and mountains above. Every trail, every view we see feels like home for you and me. Moments captured, memories made. Here's another perfect day. This is it, Jake Truddick Day. Camping wild and feeling free. Under the stars where we're meant to be. Join the journey, come along. Every campfire has its song. This is our story. This is our ride. Our is living side by side. Our is living side by side. River breeze and the pine trees sway. Cozy tents where we end the day. Laughing loud with the camping crew. Every moment feels brand new. So let's keep rolling, don't slow down. New campsites in every town. From sunrise light to midnight flames, this adventure calls our name. This is a J. Trolley day. Camping wild and feeling free. Under the stars where we're meant to be.
Yun guys, dito na kami sa Pika Heaven. So, nakapili na rin kami ng spot. Ito yung napili namin. So, marami na rin campers ngayon. Tapos, dito yung bonfire area. Yan, punuan na. Pero, maganda dito. Kasi malilim. So, may bago kaming tent. Yun, iset up namin ngayon. First time lang namin siya gagamitin. So, tara. Mag-camping na ulit tayo. Guys, ito yung Cody Havena namin na tent. So, ngayon lang namin ito ginamit. Ginawa namin ito ng review. Kung gusto nyo panoorin kung paano namin sinet up, check nyo na lang yung description. So, nakalink yung description ng pag-review namin sa tent na to guys. So guys, may mga nagtitinda mga bata dito ng sarapol. Ito, bigyan ko kay Sipe. Salamat ha. Ano pa isang tinda niya? Avocado, no? Okay. Sige. Salamat, salamat. Pag nag-camp kayo dito, may mga nagtitinda ng prutas.
Gabi man o umaga, ready ang makina. Then sa likod, tara na tumalis na. Bundok ang tawag, dagat ang sigaw. Adventure ang buhay, hindi nagpapahinga to ngayon. Si Jay may hawak na mapa. Si Eds may dalang saya. Sa bawat kalsadang tinatahak, bagong kwento ang nabubuhaw agad. Sa hangin, sa ulan, sa ilalim ng bituin, doon natin hinahanap ang tunay na damdamin. Enjoy kayo ito'y at sumabay sa camping at labay. Bundok, ilog, dagat, manayan, kasama ang tropa, una-una. Enjoy kayo ito'y walang cheer all day. Memories we make along the way. From sunrise glow to sunset, see ito ang buhay. This is how we're free. Ako'y sa gitna na kansaite, kwento habang tahimik ang night. Johnny shot sa ulap na mabagal habang ang puso'y sabay sa paglakbay. Car-camping sa tabi ng ilog, tawa kahit may dagagod, kahit saan pa mapunta. Ang saya ay dala-dala sa bawat takor na bago. Isang pangarap ang nabubuhay. Enjoy by with dream. Tara na sumabay sa camping at Dubai. Bundok, ilog, dagat, manayan, kasama ang tropa, walang una. Enjoy by with dream. We'll venture all day. Memories we make along the way. From sunrise glow to sunset, see ito ang buhay. This is how we're free. Jay at Ted sa gitna ng hangin, tahimik man ang paligid, buhay ang damdamin. Sa bawat habang sa lupa, may pangarap
Yes. Oops, nagsayang na rin kami. Oops, konti na lang. Ito yung ulam namin, beef caldereta. Pero baon ko na to, niluto ko na to sa bahay. Ininit na lang dito para kakain na lang. Yun guys, kain tayo. So ito yung ulam namin, beef caldereta. Nagsayang na rin kami. Pero baon na namin yan, ininit na lang namin para mabilisan lang. Pag mag-set up ka kasi tapos magluluto ka pa, nakakapagod din. Yun yung shortcut. Tara, kain tayo.
Buti may ganitong iba kasi ingat ang people.
Pag ilang camping na tong soft drinks na to, may lang maiinom.
Nasaan lang yan? Naglim natin. Kaya pa.
Ay, malambot. Sobrang lambot.
simple things will come my way. It'd be worth it, stay with me. They will drag us in the dirt, say the things that make us hurt, but I'll never give you up. Burning with love, it will never go away. I will protect you always. Burning with love, that will never go away. I will protect you. Like a love song will remain, like a legend of today, like a bond that never breaks.
Yun yung setup namin. Tapos doon guys, may tindahan. May tindahan dito sa Pika Heaven. Meron din silang Starlink. So yun, may internet dito sa area na to. Pero sa signal, walang signal. Tapos may mga kubo din silang pinaparent. Ito. Tapos pag family kayo, ito naman, may malaking bahay dito na pwede nyo lang i-rent. Tapos area na to, may bonfire dito, bonfire area. So mamayang gabi magbo-bonfire sila dito. So libre lang yung bonfire. So yun, check natin mamaya yung bonfire mamayang gabi. So yun guys, pwede kayong maligo dito. O, mga 5 minutes walk lang. Malito na dam. Medyo yung part na to yung malalim, so lakad lang kayo, pwede kayo maligo sa area na to. May mga bata naliligo.
I've been running most of my life, blowing smoke everywhere around. I've been searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night. I'll count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you stay, then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. I've been trying to make sense of it all.
Good evening guys, eto na yung setup namin pag gabi. Marami na rin campers dito. So medyo tahimik naman. Ayan, puno na dun sa area na yun. Tapos mamaya may bonfire. So abang-abangan lang namin yung bonfire. Yun guys, so may ano na doon, bonfire malapit lang sa tent namin. Ito yung tent namin, andun lang yung bonfire sa harap. Nandun yung mga campers din, so yan, enjoy sila sa bonfire ngayon. So, good night guys. So, bukas na ulit tayo. Bawas lang ako ng mga ilaw. Maliwanag naman dito sa area. Yan. So, nag-iwan pa rin ako ng ilaw namin. Good morning guys. Uy, ang lamig. 5:30 na. Masarap yung tulog. Sobrang lamig dito sa Pika Heaven ngayon. Ilaw ko malakas talaga. So hanggang umaga kayang-kaya niya. Ito yung lumang ilaw ko eh. Buhay pa rin. Gawa muna tayo ng kape guys. So, sarap magkape dito. Ang lamig ng panahon. Grabe yung pag kapal.
I've been searching, but I can't seem to find someone that can hold me through the night. Count to 10, then open up my eyes. If you're gone, I'll take it as a sign. But if you're
Sarap
still,
magkape.
then baby hold me tight and send me off with the words of a lullaby. With the words of a lullaby. Send me off with the words of a lullaby. I've been trying to make sense of it all, looking for signs in the stars, but it's been right in front of me this whole time. Can't believe I didn't see the light. I'll count to
Guys, katatapos lang namin magkape. So lilipitin na namin yung gamit namin.
I'll take it as a
Yung iba na-load na rin namin. So yung tent na lang yung lilipitin namin.
like they don't give a damn girl, and my God, she owns it. So many heartbreaks, goes back to 2014, and I think that she knows it. And if you've seen her, I know that you would believe it, 'cause I know that you'd want her to. Yeah, I do. Everyone's taking their shot, but missing out on the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them want it so bad. Gets the attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know for a fact that she's way too cool. But I want her to. Oh yeah, ripped skinny jeans and tattoos on both her ankles. 21 Pilot t-shirt, that's the stuff. Goddamn, she's so fly. Knows how to write a good song, at least better than this.
Yan guys, lock and load na kami.
'Cause if you've seen her, I know that you
Tapos na naman ang another adventure natin.
I know that
So
you
next, Ruwas naman kami next week. So guys, tara.
Come on, give it a shot, but you'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that. She drives them crazy when she's looking like that. The way she's moving makes them
Paalam lang
want it
tayo
so
guys.
bad.
Tapos magdikit lang tayo ng
The
sticker.
attention that we wish that we had. Yeah, it's almost cruel, 'cause I want her to. Oh yeah, I'm running in circles just to make her react. My heart is racing, yeah, I want her so bad. I wanna kiss her, but I know
May sticker wall sila guys.
she's way too cool. But I want her to.
Sticker boss. Salamat. Uwian na.
Everyone's taking their shot, showing all that they got, but they'll be missing the cut. I think she knows that she